Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Being a parent with a son with autism, it makes a big difference to know other people that you can talk to about what you're going through or maybe what your child is experiencing.
Major Josephine Blas says that's what drew her to the organization Autism Community Together, where she now serves as its president.
For myself, when I became a member, my son was 2, and I didn't really know where to go. So there was an autism fair, just like the one we had this past Saturday. So I decided to go down and get as much information I could, and I signed up for the autism community. And so they started putting me on their email list and inviting me to several events. And the first event I went to was just a huge eye-opener, because when I talked to other parents, I realized our kids are very much the same.
The organization also opened her eyes to the resources available right here on the island.
There's a lot of resources out there. Just in our fair alone, we had over 44 resource partners. The Department of Education has their special education division. There's also the Guam Intervention Center. That's where I would recommend, if you think your child might be autistic, get them tested, and the Guam Early Intervention Center does that.
Now, despite the limited resources available, she says there is a growing need for services after high school, especially as the number of autism diagnoses increases.
As our children get older, obviously the parents are getting older, our support network out there is getting older, so we don't know when the child gets older if they're going to have that support network. So we want to see about creating maybe group homes or other training opportunities that can try to help them be as independent as possible.
She says a partner organization, Hunter Speaks, has been working with Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr. to provide more resources and has successfully helped pass legislation creating the island's first autism center. It's also pushing for legislation that would mandate insurance companies to cover the services provided there. She encourages families with children with autism to attend a family fun day on April 30th. For more information, you can call Major Josephine Blas. Her number is 687-1284. That's 687-1284, or by email at autismcommunityguam@gmail.com.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.